called you. What you mean, Keith? Golly. I know, but he did 159 miles an hour. Running on the big end. He's still blowing the tires. Golly. They got to get that suspension. Something ain't right. Look out, y'all want me to stay right here at 720p? Or y'all want me to, usually at this 720p level, it ain't gonna do no buffering. But y'all want to try 1080? Everybody say leave it. Okay, that's cool. I'm glad ain't nobody complaining. I don't like remaking these videos. Yeah. You finna make a full pass?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your channel name?
F-Chan-Tham-6.
One more time for the one time.
F-Chan-Tham.
F-Chan-Tham.
Yeah.
Okay, we finna see what you're working with. 720 is fine. Attention in the pits. We have about, how many people we got? We got a couple people done one. Okay, he ran a good 12. Oh no, that was a 11 more. I think he ran the 11 though. Dang, where my YouTube cards at? I done messed up. I need it. Let's see, I got my digital YouTube channel. Let me see if this thing works. Dang, I shouldn't have left them in the car. I'm just go get it. I'm just go get my car, y'all.
Another great announcement from one of our sponsors, Ferrado
I got a race up there at Extreme later on today.
One of the winners of the car show.
Run you, man.
Huh? What do you got?
A
Cadillac?
Yeah.
You drove here?
Yeah. For any wide body
Okay, let's go look at it. See if he got a whole bunch of money or something. Sponsors shit.
For making that
it's his, man.
Unfortunately, they had an incident, wasn't able to
He got GoPros here. Oh, shit. And he got bead locks. Hell no. Yeah, that be me with the drone. Yeah, that's your Cadillac right there, ain't it?
Yeah.
I don't want to make race shoot now. I already don't want to race shoot. Hell no, he got too many damn cameras. He got $1,000 worth of cameras on the damn car. No, he got everything. Hell yeah, and he got it done by Dedicated Motorsports. Hell no. Hell no, he got the ZL1 lead. 1-inch hoses all the way. Got the green belt. Got the big pulley. Got the biggest cold air intake they said. 4.5 inches. Got he got an extra fuel system. He running E85. Got an extra fuel regulator. Got special made valve covers with extra catch cans. Man, he got everything you could buy. I ain't racing him. He got everything.
You made any passes?
Oh, I ain't made no pay. It costs too much to make a pay.
What you gonna do, man?
Nothing. I ain't gonna do nothing. Look at it. I'm gonna look at it. He got bead locks. $1,000 worth of cameras. Them cameras let me know. Man, he got 1,000 sitting right there. Shit, I need some tires.
Come on, man.
I ain't bothering him. I'm minding my own
All
business.
these videos, everybody keep talking about, I need to find somebody.
I ain't mean you find him. You found the wrong somebody. This thing here, he got too much money. He got his PPP loan, man. I can't mess with him.
I remember it, man.
Damn,
Yeah.
I can't do nothing with him. I bet he got. Yeah. Now for the Mustang, I feel more confident.
Mustang, right?
Yeah, yeah. I try him with that Mustang. I feel like I'm winning then. I'm getting over then. Yeah. I need to get that Mustang. Man, I drove the Mustang and it had a fuel leak, started leaking fuel. I said, God damn, and it was running the temperature. I think I need a new radiator top. So I'm gonna get a new radiator top and tighten up that little fuel leak. And I'm gonna try to, test the longevity. Now it don't seem dependable like I like it. It was doing its thing, but I'm gonna get it back right.
I can't believe you.
Don't believe, man, he got everything. Frankenstein heads, everything. He ain't even, he one of them people that, whatever they told him, they just got him.
I drove, it was 17. You drove on here?
Let me see, where my, oh yeah, them cards. Them cards.